In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can purchase a number through Twilio and connect it to Retell AI using the SIP trunking. And this should work whether you're in Australia or Europe or wherever else. So to start with, you're going to need to create a Twilio account and you'll be brought to this main dashboard page. So from here, we're just going to go to the left and click the drop down box over here where it says United States, and we're going to go phone numbers. And then we're going to come down here to manage, and then we're going to go by number. So once we're in this page, you'll see that we're able to actually search for different countries here. So I'm going to use Australia in this example. So I'm going to click Australia. Now we want to make sure, in my case, that it's got SMS and voice. Now you'll notice here, we've got a bunch of landlines and some other lines here. So for Australia, I can basically turn off fax and we'll start to see that mobile numbers pop up. So from here, you want to go ahead on the right and click buy when you see a number you like. So let's find one. 092208, that sounds all right. We go buy, and what we'll have to do is we'll come to this page. So then we'll click next, and you'll choose whether you're a business or an individual. Now, if you're a business, you'll click business and go next. So you'll be brought to a page here where you have to comply with the regulatory requirements, and you'll have to allocate a regulation bundle. So I've already got one approved here, but what you'll essentially have to provide Twilio is your identification as well as a address to sync the number to and your business information. Now this can take 2 to 3 days for approval, and this is just their attempt to stop people using their numbers for scamming and other phishing activities. So if you haven't already got one and you're new to this, you'll have to create a regulatory bundle and you'll go through this phase. Once you go through it, you'll click your regulatory bundle, assign address. I've assigned my address here, and I'll actually buy number to show you in this example. So you click buy, and as you'll see, it will come through and it's routed through to the US. That we can ignore at the moment. What I want to do is, for people who already have this, so I'm going to route my number through to Australia for the Retell AI integration. But you'll see here, I can already click Elastic SIP trunking, and from here I can go manage, and then we can basically go trunks. Now, for people who actually don't have this option on the left, what you'll have to do is you'll have to click explore products. And you'll scroll all the way down, and right here we can pin to our sidebar. So you want Elastic SIP trunking, and this is the method we're going to use to connect to Retell. So you'll drop this box down, you'll see US, Australia, and Ireland. You'll pin the one that you want, and what this means is it doesn't mean that you have to buy a number in Australia, Ireland, or the US. It means that wherever you buy your number, it will be routed through that and will mainly affect the latency of your phone call. So if you're in Europe, you pick Ireland. If you're in Australia, you pick Australia. And Middle East and other countries like that, whatever region's closest to you, you just work that out. So I've clicked Australia here, and that's why it's pinned on the side. So now I've done that, we're just going to go down and click SIP trunking, manage, and we'll go trunks. All right, now the first thing we want to do is we want to go create new SIP trunk, and then we want to name it anything we want. This is just our name that's on our local dashboard to identify it for ourselves. And then once we're in the general settings, we want to scroll down, we want to click the call transfer, SIP refer, we want to enable, and then enable PSTN transfer. We want to click save down the bottom. Once that's all saved, we're going to go to the left here and click termination. So then we're going to come down to termination SIP URI. We're going to type in our unique identifier, whatever we want. Once we see that it's available, we're going to come down here and we're going to go to the credential list. We're going to create new credential, and then we're going to go in here, put our own friendly name that we wish to put in, and then we're going to add our credentials. So you're just going to choose a username and a password. Now you want to hold on to this username and password because this will be used on the Retell side to identify our Twilio. So we're going to need this when we get to the section of importing our number directly into it. So keep note of it. We're going to create. So that's all created and our number's available. We actually want to hold on to our termination SIP URI as well, as this will be used on the Twilio side also. So we're going to go from there, save down the bottom. And once that's all saved, we're going to click across to organization. And next we're going to go straight to add new organization URI. Now, this is the URI that's given to us from Retell themselves, and it's within their documentation, but actually we'll have a resource down in the description, which will open to a Notion, and it will just have the URI right here that you can copy from. On top of that, it's got a step-by-step instructions for each of these. If you're following the video, you will just have to copy this though here. And then we want to go back into trunking, and we want to paste the origination SIP URI here. We're going to go add. And once that's done, we're just going to go on the left here and go into numbers. And here we're going to associate our number with our new trunking URI. We're going to go straight to the top right and go add a number, add an existing number. And we're going to go down and click our number that's not assigned. We're going to add selected. So now that our number's up here, we're just going to go back to Retell. You're going to click phone numbers on the left here. And we're going to go to plus and then connect to your number via SIP trunking. So here we'll have to place in our phone number and then our termination URI. Next, we'll be putting in our username that we made as well as the password as our identifier. And then we'll give it a nickname that we wish. Retell AI, Twilio. And we'll click save. And as you can see, our number here has been imported where we can assign it to our inbound agents or our outbound agents. Then next, what you may have to do is go back to Twilio, and within active numbers, you'll have to click on your number, and we're just going to confirm that it's routing through the region we set up the SIP trunk in. So you would click on the region that you wanted. Once it's loaded, you'll be able to reroute it on the side here, confirm rerouting. Then we'll return to Retell. I'll assign this to an inbound agent and we'll just give it a quick test call.
Hello, how can I help you today?
And there you have it, guys. That's how you can connect an international number into Retell AI. So in future videos, we're going to be building out agents for things like appointment setting, lead capturing, even connecting to client databases to remember your existing clients. Now, if that sounds useful to you, hit the subscribe button or drop a comment below if you have got any ideas that you'd like to see built out, and we can build them out together. And take care, and I'll see you in the next one.